This sunset is almost as beautiful as you are.
Oh, stop. But I have to agree, it's perfect.
Oh my God, look at that wave! Brace yourselves, it's gonna hit us! I'm trying, we're gonna capsize! What happened to my legs? I have a tail! I turned into a mermaid! You are not allowed to escape. You must stay here!
Is this your phone? Where's my girlfriend?
Rumi! God, Rumi, what happened? I don't understand. You have to tell me where she is.
Why do you think the boat broke down and sank? The engine just stopped working, and a big wave swamped us before we could fix it.
I wish you were here, Rumi.
I can't do this anymore. It's over between us.
I long to see my lover again. But the ocean keeps us apart. You cannot come up because you belong to the fish family. Please, I beg you, let me go. Let me go, I love him! You stupid, naive fool. I'd rather see you both drown than let you leave. I will go ashore to find him. I found you. I can't believe it, you're alive. You're finally safe. It's raining heavily with thunder and lightning.
Rushing it. We shouldn't have survived.
I saved you. But now the others are looking for the girl I helped.
They're looking for me.
Forever, my love.
We have to get out of here. The waves are too strong.
I can't.
Not in this current. We have to hold on. I wish we could stay like this forever.
What's happening to me? No.